When I got this fan, it had no rotor, so luckily I found a parts fan that was basically a stump, so there was nothing good on it besides that rotor, and threw it in this thing, and it's great. And I grabbed that tag. You can see how bad it was, but I wanted something, so I think this is low or maybe high. Can't remember exactly what it's rated for. It moves a lot of air, especially for a 10-inch fan. It's very quiet. The logo is my favorite, and I also like the 50s version. These are great fans, but I just don't need the space right now, so I have to sell it sadly. But oh, yep, wants to eat the cord. New head wire and random cord that was on it. Not much of a speed difference at all. Maybe slightly less watts, but it probably was meant for 115 because this is an early 40s fan, so. Definitely a lot of speed difference with low. Still moves a ton of air. Definitely a great fan to sleep with at night. It's very quiet. There was I think this is a 12-inch model. I can't remember if it's 10-inch or 12, it's hard to tell. But I think there was a smaller 10-inch model that I almost got. I would have loved to have had it, but the person who was selling it would not go down. It was kind of rough, so hopefully I find one in the future. I know you really can't hear it over the freshened air, but this thing is very quiet. Spin down is great. I just quickly threw some oil in it, so I didn't disassemble it. I just threw oil in the bearings and the wick. I put oil in the gearbox just because I didn't want to take it apart. Since I was selling it, I would let the new owners deal with that, but normally you would put grease. Look at that. Bearings are definitely well worn in, but I don't think this motor had much bearing play, so it's definitely used. So, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.